so excited to be showing you how to make this blog that you're seeing right here. It's my best work to date, and I'm just super excited about it because I think it is beautiful, as you can see right here. I'm going to be showing you how to add in entries, and of course this could be anything you want. This could be weight loss, this could be, fitness, this could be about making money or marketing or whatever it is that you do. And I'm going to show you how to add in this slider right here. And this is all without Photoshop or with no skills necessary. I'm going to show you how to put in this logo, again without Photoshop or any, HTML, CSS, none of that. I'm going to show you how to put in these social icons, this search, so people can search your blog, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Facebook. I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe for both YouTube and for email. It's very important you can start building your email list. And one of the most important things, I'm going to show you how to embed advertisements. So every time someone clicks on this, it gives you up to $20. And it's very important for your blog to start generating money so you can start advertising it and you can start growing, and you need income for all the time that you put into it. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to generate a few thousand in a few months from your blog. So it takes a lot of hard work, but there's no reason why you can't do that. Another thing that we're going to do here is we're going to see how to add a contact form. So people can just fill out their information and press send, then it'll email you the information that they put in here. This is so people don't have to copy and paste your email address, and maybe you don't want to give out your email address. This will protect it so they can't see your email address. After looking at the 100 most popular blogs online and really studying them, I really figured out what should go in the navigation, and that is your different categories should go in the navigation. So if we look at the Huffington Post, and this is the #1 blog, like them or not, they have their different categories. So they have politics, business, entertainment, and tech. And so if you had something like a fitness blog, you would have, exercises, nutrition, science, products, where maybe you review products in different categories. And you can have maybe services if that's important. If you're a fitness trainer and you want people to sign up for your fitness lessons, then you can have an about section also. But these should definitely be just like the Huffington Post has them, different categories, your different categories. So let's see what that looks like on their website. We go to business. Hopefully your website will be quicker than theirs. It's a little slow. And we can see the different blog entries here and here and here. To me, this is a little busy, but they have a lot of content. Hopefully you won't have this much content. Maybe eventually you will, but let's see what ours would look like. So let's say that this was let's just click on small animals, and we can see that these are our entries. We have a picture and the title, just like how they have their picture and their title. So we are emulating the best of the best. So and let's see what a blog post looks like. So we click on it, we have our picture, and we have a set of headlines, and you can have this block quote, and you can have different points. And finally, we have this social sharing button. So if they like it, people can like it, and they'll get shared with their friends. And hopefully, if your blog post is good enough, it can go viral. And that's something that you definitely want, and it's quality over quantity. So just remember that it's better to spend a week on a post than to post a bunch of okay blogs. So that's what's helped me out in my blogging ventures. One question that I get often is, can I use Blogger.com? Can I use Typepad? Can I just use Tumblr? And my answer to that is no. It looks not professional when you have, yourname.tumblr.com or however they do it. You really want your own domain name, and that's what really is going to set you apart from the amateurs. And a lot of the time when you're on Tumblr or Typepad or Blogger.com, you can't put ads. You can't put your own ads. So it's hard to generate money from them. And that's something, if you like it or not, that you're gonna have to do if you want your blog to reach as many people as possible. And it looks way more professional when you have your own domain name. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your domain name. I'm going to show you how to get hosting. I'm going to walk you through everything. So I hope you're ready, and it's going to be a fun venture, I think. So let's get started. Before we get started, one more point that I wanted to make is this website is going to be built on a platform called WordPress, and that's a content management system, which just is a fancy way of saying it helps you manage your content. So instead of having to do CSS and HTML and PHP and knowing all these coding languages, it's like Microsoft Word where you can just type it in and, it appears here. The next point I wanted to make is this is used by Fortune 500 companies. So this platform that you're using, that you're going to be, working with, is the same platform that CNN and Forbes use, and Boing Boing, and Jay-Z and Katy Perry, and all of these bloggers, like TechCrunch, and these people are huge. So it really is a level playing field, and it's pretty exciting that you can have the same technology as these giant companies. So with that said, let's get started. First, what you want to do is go to www.hostgator.com. Now, this is a hosting company, and they're really amazing. You can look up their reviews in Google. They are the best, in my opinion. I had a bad experience before when I went with another hosting company. I'm not going to mention their name, but I thought all this technology and web stuff was confusing, but really it was just them. So make sure you pick a good hosting company. You can do live chat, which is really good, 24 hours a day. So if you have any questions, you can go there and ask, what's going on with my website, or if you have any problems, and they will help you with your website. Now, what hosting is when you have content from your computer and you upload it basically to the internet so the whole world can see. So all these, images and text right here, it's located on a host. So we need that so it can store all of our files so that the whole world can see it. Just like when you're on Facebook and you upload, a picture, you're uploading it to their computer, to the Facebook computer, so that everyone can see it. So it's in the same way where you upload your information to your HostGator computer. So the next thing we want to do is click on web hosting. Now, there's a difference in these plans, and I'm going to show you how to get 25% off instead of 20% off. But basically, the Hatchling plan only allows for a single domain name, so that's only like yourwebsite.com. You can't have any additional domain names. I like to go with the baby plan. This is what I have. I have about 50 websites on this baby plan, and it allows you multiple domain names. So if you want to, start a web development business, or you want to also host your friends, you want to have, your friend's website.com, your family's website.com. You can have as many as you want on this plan. So that's the one I like to go with, just because I don't want a single domain. But obviously, if you know you're only going to have one website, you can get this one. So let's go with the baby plan. I like to do it month by month, just because